What up, it's Adam. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys my gaming keyboard, a Rii gaming keyboard, real idea internet keyboard, and it looks pretty cool. And it has three colors, so red, blue, and purple. And the red is fire, blue is cool, and open world is purple. So it looks pretty cool with three colors. And if I do that, no colors. Switch red, blue, purple. It has three LED backlight colors, and if I do all of them, it's rainbow. So if I type, the typing looks mechanical. It's pretty dope. It does. Here's the number locks, the caps locks right there, and there's a scroll lock is right there, and here's like the number lock. That's where I can type the numbers when I on that, and that makes the light goes up and goes down, and I don't want to mess it up, so leave it alone. And here's all the multimedia stuff. This is music, volume, audio. This is no volume, recording, so all the video stuff. This is the email, home, lock, calendar. So this is like the gaming keyboard. It's really amazing. It's pretty dope. It does. And the typing looks really dope. It looks amazing. Looks really good. Good for typing. It has multimedia stuff. Even another thing, it looks cool. Even it's much easier to type. Yep. And it's rainbow and it's three colors. So that's all about my gaming keyboard. So Rii gaming keyboard. If you like the video, please subscribe and have a good night. Bye, guys.